Hello everyone, this is my review of Komodo Hudson electric fireplace 4600 BTU for 1400 watt. I actually purchased this one in a sale. This is my truck, this is my RAV4 truck. Actually you can see that how well it fits in there. It's big, it's heavy. So I went in to pick it up from nearby Canadiantire in Canada. And actually I just put that in my garage. As you can see, it's a big one and it is really heavy as well. You definitely need two people to lift it up or do anything with it. Do not try it alone because it contains the breakable pieces. So if you handle it alone, if it falls down, it will break. So make sure that you have somebody to help you out with. Here is some shots. It's my vehicles there. As you can see, that package, they packed it very well and they packed it so tight so it will not fall off or actually damage on transit. I'm here trying my level best to pick it up here. It just got 3 packages there. As you can see, it actually comes with many pieces. It comes with so much wood and the insert itself is big. Taking it and keeping it aside, it's a crucial thing. You have to make sure that you put it properly arranged, otherwise it'll be a nightmare for you to install it. So I have arranged everything in a way that I can actually manage it very well to install it, or I will know where exactly each pieces will go. Good thing was it actually came with so many hardware which is very easy to use. It's just you don't need much fancy tools, just a screwdriver is fine. It actually comes with an Allen key too, so a small star screwdriver and Allen keys that will do the trick. If you can see that rivets, that's the main thing. It is very easy, just one ball, two balls, it will hold on to the other piece easy and nice, so which will make your life very easy. Just clip it on, bolt it, just place the other wood parts on top of it and it will do the trick, as you can see. It roughly took around 1.5 hours for me and my wife to set it up. It wasn't easy, and this is the last piece actually going in. It actually holds the insert, the fire box insert in place, and that's pretty much it. So 90% of the work is done, and it is not complex at all. We will think how things will work out. It just comes with a plug. You just plug it into the regular electric socket and it should be fine. As you can see, it was very nice and easy. It just went in fine. And one good thing is that actually it comes with a remote, which usually other fireplaces won't come with it. So I can actually turn it on, turn it off. It's a fairly small remote as well. It will actually fit very well in your palm. The brand name is there, Komodo. I found it very useful. My basement is a brand new. I don't have anything else in my basement right now, so the fireplace is big. Actually, it is big. It's about 36-inch tall, I guess, 34-inch tall, which was very well because we bought a 65-inch TV. We want to fit on top of it rather than mounting, because heavy TVs, we don't know it will fall down or not. So that was our main concern. We got some space as well actually to put in some insects box or whatever stuff we have here. Some place for audio, video, visual thing as well. It is working out very well, and I really liked it, the way it looks. Now it's about 3 months, and actually it's working out very well. We don't have a basement heat vent at that area, so this is very good. It actually heats up to 400 square feet. That's what this says, and we love it. It looks very good at night, and actually you put the TV on. Fireplace here with the different color LCD. I think that's LCD technology, I guess. Anyway, it is working out very well, and it is doing what it is supposed to do. So I'm very happy with the purchase. This is Komodo Hudson electric fireplace with 4600 BTU and 1400 watt. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.